Hi guys, my name is Evelyn Kim, and for today's video, we'll be going over Wylock's 3rd grade math curriculum. Topics we'll be going to discuss in today's video include inequalities, multiplication, division, and word problems. Let's get started with our first topic, inequalities. They give us two numbers for number 1, 2, and 3. Well, we know that 2 is less than 3 because 3 is 1 unit greater than 2. Therefore, we put the less than sign. This is the less than sign, this is the greater than sign, and this is the equal to sign. Let's keep that in account. Number 2, 50 and 10. Well, we know that 50 is much greater than 10, but how can we prove this? Well, we can subtract 50 minus 10. And we should get a leftover of 40. 50 is 40 units greater than 10, therefore 50 is greater than 10. Number 7, 16 and 9. We know that 16 is much greater than 9, so how do we prove that? We can prove this by subtracting. 16 minus 9 equals 7. We know that 16 is 7 units greater than 9, therefore 16 is greater than 9. Number 8, 5 and 29. We know that 29 is much greater than 5, and we can prove it by subtracting. 29 minus 5, 9 minus 5 equals 4, bring down the 2. 29 is 24 units greater than 5, therefore 5 is less than 29. Our second topic is division, and it's asking us to divide the numbers below. Number 1, they give us the equation 15 divided by 3. We know that 5 times 3 equals 15. And 3 times 5 also equals 15. Last but not least, we also know that 15 divided by 3 equals 5 because all of these numbers are factor families of equations. Therefore, 15 divided by 5 should equal 3. Number 2, 45 divided by 5. We know that 5 times 9 equals 45. 9 times 5 equals 45. And 45 divided by 9 equals 5. These are all interrelated and they're multiplication factor families. Therefore, 45 divided by 5 should equal 9. Number 3, 18 divided by 6. We know that 6 times 3 equals 18. 3 times 6 also equals 18. And 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Therefore, 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3 because all these equations are interrelated by its factor. Number 11, 20 divided by 10. We know that 10 times 2 equals 20. And 2 times 10 equals 20. And 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Therefore, this only means that 20 divided by 10 equals 2. Number 12, 30 divided by 5. We know that 5 times 6 equals 30. And 6 times 5 also equals 30. And 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Therefore, all these equations are interrelated, thus indicating that 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Last but not least, number 13, where it states the equation 190 divided by 1. A number divided by 1 always equals itself because any number times 1 equals itself. This is also known as the identity function or the identity rule. Therefore, 190 divided by 1 equals itself, meaning that it equals 190. Third topic is multiplication, and it's asking us to multiply the problems below. Number 1, it gives us the equation 3 times 3. 3 times 3 can also be referred as 3 groups of 3, so let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We finally now have 3 groups of 3 circles each. Now let's add it together to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, 3 groups of 3 equals 9, only meaning that 3 times 3 also equals 9 as well. Number 11, 4 times 6. 4 times 6 can also be referred as 4 groups of 6. Let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We now have a total of 4 groups of 6 circles. Now let's add it all together to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Therefore, our final answer for 4 groups of 6, or 4 times 6 equals 24. Our last topic is word problems, and it's asking us to solve the problems below. Number 1, Susie has 20 hairpins. She gives 6 away to her friends, loses 2, and buys 7 more. How many hairpins does she have now? Based off the keywords gives away, loses, and buys, we know that this is a 3-step problem. First, Susie starts off with 20 hairpins but gives away 6. Gives away means that she subtracts 6 hairpins from her total of 20. So let's subtract 20 by 6. 20 minus 6 should equal 14. Susie has 14 hair clips after giving 6 away to her friends. However, Susie also loses 2 of her hair clips, so that means we have to subtract 2 from 14. 14 minus 2 should equal 12. Susie has 12 hair clips after giving away 6 and losing 2. Last but not least, she buys 7 more. Buying 7 more indicates that she adds 7 more hair clips to her remaining amount of hair clips. Therefore, we add 12 plus 7 to find our total amount of hair clips. 7 plus 2 equals 9, bring down to 1. Susie has a total of 19 hair clips after giving away 6, losing 2, and buying 7 more. Number 2, there are a total of 50 states in the United States. Johnny has been to 29 of them. How many states has he not been to yet? In order to determine how many states Johnny has not been to yet, we need to subtract 29 from 50 because 29 is the total number of states Johnny has been to, and we want to know how many he hasn't. 50 minus 29. We can't subtract 9 from 0, so we're going to borrow from the tens place. 5 becomes a 4. 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Therefore, Johnny has not been to a total of 21 states. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.